In engineering systems, we deal with, as the name suggests, large-scale systems, and for these they aren't perfectly predictable using laws of physics. Many of these systems have aspects to them that you cannot predict accurately. What excites me about SUTD is we are giving students industrial projects right at the very beginning of their time with us in the ESD pillar. So students are walking into the classroom, and very shortly they are being tasked with recommending to a company how they should change their prices to optimize revenue. They're being asked to, for a hotel, for example, to forecast occupancy rates.
My group was tasked with producing a demand forecasting model for Park Avenue Hotel, and it was a really eye-opening experience. It is obviously my first experience really putting my toe into the industry, into this wonderful world of data and data analysis and projection and trends, and really being able to apply what I've learned so far in the course.
I undertook this project with my group mates because it allows me to really understand how different retail store functions and what are the predictors that can really predict the success of a retail store.
The students have a wonderful time working on these projects. They get excited, they get frustrated, they try out a variety of activities, but they are primed to go into the workforce far earlier than their classmates at other universities. We have a rich curriculum within ESD that lays the foundation for a career in a broad variety of industries. So they're exposed to probabilities, statistics, optimization, network modeling, inventory control, queuing systems, a whole variety of fundamental techniques that are used in airline, healthcare, transportation, supply chain management. A host of industries are using these techniques to solve complex problems.
Our professors are very passionate and they really teach us things that are practical and really useful for our future.
So what this class really deals with is how you go from data to building models to making decisions that are of importance and provide value.
We try to answer some fundamental questions and solve the mysteries of how some key systems that we use in an everyday life work. For example, how does the search engine of Google work and proposes to us web pages? So how PageRank works? How does Amazon recommend movies? How does my smartphone work? How come the internet works and does not break down under congestion? And in order to understand that, we have to combine many disciplines and different tools from mathematics, from economics, from engineering, from game theory.
What the students has done is quite amazing, and things are very practical. It gives us new ideas on how to improve our business and how to fine-tune some of our business models to match the customer demands.
I'm personally very impressed with what the students from SUTD ESD has done. We're so impressed that we're hoping that some of these students will actually go on to join us as interns in the coming summer, or even join us as full-time employees.
Students are learning extremely practical tools that are immediately applicable on the job, and I have students telling me that they are getting their internships lined up very quickly because of what they're able to describe to interviewers in an interview. It's a rich field. It prepares students for working in a host of industries such as healthcare, airlines, finance industry, commercial enterprises, engineering firms, manufacturing. The list goes on. It's a gateway pillar to an exciting career.
I think at one level, it's the skills that I learned in ESD, the skills such as data analysis, and with a firm foundation in probability statistics, it really helps me to make better decisions at work. On the softer side, ESD is also quite strong in preparing its graduates for presentation skills, preparing its graduates for summarizing documents quickly, for picking out important points from readings. And I think that is a very valuable skill that I've been applying at work.
If you join the ESD pillar, you'll definitely learn something new, and you'll definitely have a lot of tools that you know are going to be practical and you know are going to be applicable in the real world.